Hey guys, welcome back to Cook Like Sasha. Today I'm going to show you how to make steamed fish. Now I'm using tilapia fish. If you want to know if your fish is fresh, you need to look at the eyes. If the eyes are nice and bright and the body is firm, then you know that the fish is fresh. I'm starting out by sauteing some scallion and onion and garlic. So I'm sauteing some onions and garlic in the tiniest amount of oil, and then I'm going to add some diced carrots and potatoes. Just give them a swirl, and then I'm going to add some hot water just so that they can begin cooking. Jamaican style steamed fish is heavily influenced by Chinese cuisine. When the Chinese indentured laborers came to Jamaica with the abolition of slavery in the 19th century, they also brought along with them their own cooking techniques, ingredients, some of which are still heavy in the Jamaican cuisine. For example, they brought with them scallions, and scallion is one of the #1 herbs that we still cook with today. Chinese style steamed fish involves having a fish in a dedicated steamer that would be over a pot of boiling water, and then the steam from the water would cook the fish. They would then top it off with scallions, ginger, hot oil, and soy sauce. So essentially what the Jamaican steamed fish is today is an inspired dish from the Chinese steamed fish, but of course we had to incorporate our local ingredients such as the Scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, and all the vegetables, pumpkin, carrots, Irish potatoes, and the okra, which is one of my favorite things to add in steamed fish, and it goes on and on. So essentially Jamaican style steamed fish has evolved into a one pot dish, and it has many cultural influences, but the main one is Chinese, and this is what we have today. It's so delicious. It's one of the most beloved Jamaican seafood dishes, and it's so rich. It fills you up, it's nutritious, and it's just one of the things that I really love. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite thing to add to steamed fish. Let me know what kind of food you put in it, what kind of ground provisions, how do you make it. Me personally, I love curried steamed fish, and I love curried coconut steamed fish. That's another one. And to finish off my steamed fish, I like to add tough crackers or Excelsior water crackers. I like to have crunchy crackers in my steamed fish, or it's so good with cream crackers as well. Some people like to soak the crackers, some people add bami. Again, there are many different ways to do it. This is just one of the ways. I hope you like this video. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know if you would try it. What would you change? What would you add? What would you remove? Hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.